In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Discord black screen during screen share. If you're experiencing a black screen whenever you try to share your screen on Discord, don't worry. This is a fairly common issue and can usually be resolved with a few adjustments to your Discord and system settings. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through several troubleshooting methods that can help restore normal screen sharing functionality. To begin, completely close Discord and reopen it. Sometimes temporary glitches can interfere with screen sharing, and a simple restart is enough to resolve the problem. After reopening Discord, try sharing your screen again to see if the issue has been fixed. If the black screen persists, open Discord and click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to access user settings. Scroll down and select Voice and Video. Under the Screen Share section, try disabling the option that uses advanced technology to capture your screen. Once you've changed the setting, restart Discord and test screen sharing again. Another useful solution is to run Discord with administrator privileges. Close the application, locate the Discord shortcut on your desktop, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This gives Discord additional permissions that may be required for proper screen capture. You should also make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers can often cause screen sharing issues, including black screens. Open your graphics software or use your operating system's update tools to check for the latest driver updates. After updating, restart your computer before testing Discord again. If you're sharing a specific application, try switching between sharing the application window and sharing your entire screen. Some programs, especially those that use hardware acceleration, may not capture properly when shared as an individual window. It's also a good idea to check for Discord updates. Running an outdated version of Discord can lead to bugs and compatibility problems. Keeping the application updated ensures you have the latest fixes and improvements. Finally, if none of the previous methods work, try logging out of Discord and signing back in, or completely remove Discord from your system and then set it up again. This can help resolve problems caused by corrupted files or settings. After following these steps, your Discord screen sharing feature should work normally again without displaying a black screen. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,